Hello, my name is Stefan Woelk and I'm German actor living in Germany. I'm international actor and I shot in a Netflix series, in TV and in cinema around the world in around 10 countries. In Asia, in Europe and in Africa. When you ask me what is the most important thing to become an actor, the most elementary thing is you have to be authentically. This is very important. I mean, you can learn a lot of techniques. You can go to an acting school, learn this technique, this technique, this technique, and you become very technically. But you have to become very authentically. This is very important. And you need a very big imagination. This is, for me, this is the most important thing. I remember when I was young, when I was a child, I was playing in my garden, I was playing in the house, I was playing in the forest, and I went through stories. I was a cowboy, I was a soldier, I was someone from Star Wars, I was a knight or whatever. But the most important thing was that I had a very, very bright imagination. Yeah? So try to remember when you was a child and then go deeply into these stories, imagine it, be this, become this, and feel it, and feel the same as if you was a child. This is the most important thing for me. I mean, it's important to learn some technical stuff. Yes, you can do an acting workshop, take some acting lessons with a private trainer or something like that. You can do that, but it's not absolutely necessary to go to an acting school for 3 years or something like that, to study acting. It's good, but it's not absolutely necessary. You can do it without that. This is very important for me to tell you, and yeah, just start your acting career. Take the first steps, take some lessons, go to a workshop and try to become some student acting jobs. You can have a look on Facebook groups or on Instagram. There are a lot of people, young students, who make casting calls for student short films. And there you can become your first experiences. This is very important. Yeah, try it, make some good photos. This is important. Or you can go to a professional demo scene company. They make demo scenes for you, but you have to pay them for that. You can find these people on Instagram too, on Google, on the established acting portals. Yeah, but I would do the first option. Search students and make the first student jobs, student short films. This is very important. Make good photos. You can go to in Germany, you can go to Model Kartei, for example. They make a lot of TFP, time for pic. The photographer makes photos and you make your model job, and both make it for free. That's like it says, time for pic. We both give our time, the photographer and the model, and then both get the photos out of it. That's a good thing to get free actor photos. But you should look that they that they make profile photography. Yeah, this is very important. Not